Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to create a FreeCash account. Creating a FreeCash account is pretty easy and simple to follow. Once you get over to freecash.com, you'll be seeing this page. You have these options to sign up and you can use your Google, your Facebook, or you could sign up with Apple. Making things easy, you can go ahead and click and sign up with Google and select your Google account in order to get your FreeCash account. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to see your dashboard, your name, your avatar, and you can see the earnings tab, started offers, withdrawals, etc. Of course, you can click on settings for more settings. Of course, on this page, you'll be seeing some other options such as your FreeCash ID and others which you might be interested in knowing. Then at the bottom, you have the option to delete your account or log out. So once you've created your FreeCash account, you'll be able to participate in the offers, surveys, and games to be played. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.